I know you've probably seen thousands of videos on YouTube that tells you that how can you create coloring book pages in bulk. You know the problem? The problem is either they're going to give you like a generic copy paste template with no uniqueness, or they give you just some basic ideas that you have to sit there for hours generating images, formatting your book. But in this video, I'll be showing you the AI tool that literally created unique coloring book pages from your idea in minutes, so that you don't have to worry about using those generic oversaturated templates. Neither you have to spend hours, because this does everything, and I'm super excited to show you this, right? But before I show you the step by step, I want to show you some examples of books that I have created. Check this out. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Right? So, yes, I created both of the pages, the black and white page and the colored page, using this AI tool. Okay. So, first of all, this is Artistly. If you want to know how to get yours, check the link in the description with some exclusive discount. Anyways, for those of you who already have it, what you need to do, you come to Fast AI Image Designer. Under that, you see a design agent option. Click on that. Under that, you see a lot of options, right? Don't get overwhelmed. They are there to help you create unique digital products. Okay. What we are looking for is an option called Coloring Book Advanced. And when you click on it, you see a beautiful page that asks you that how many number of pages you want, in which theme you want to create your pages, you want to create your book for about, the title of the book. Don't worry, this is not the title that you will be using on your Amazon listing or any listing that you do. This is just for internal. Reference prompt, this is game changer, guys. This is game changer, right? Intro pages like your about us, your activity, your cover page, or whatever it is. We give you ending pages as well at the end if you want to promote about your other books and all that. Let's check everything one by one. Okay. So, title, let's do Halloween book. Okay. Now, theme. Now, what is this, guys? Okay, this is, let's say you want to actually focus on like mindful coloring books, right, for adults, or you want to focus on dinosaur theme, or you want to focus on animal theme, you want to focus on flowers theme. So let's just stick to animals, right? For example, right? Now, put in the number of pages you want. Okay, max is 30. You can repeat this process to create more number of pages. Let's say I do 15. Okay, now if you want a colored version, that means there will be a copy of your page, right, which is in black and white, and on the right side will be a colored version of it. So basically for kids, right, they can follow along with that, right? If you want it, tick this box. If you don't want it, uncheck this. Next step. This is game changer, guys. This is game changer, right? I just pasted a prompt there. Okay, now I know most of you have cracked like a prompt, right? Like you use on AI image designers, right, to create your pages. Now you don't have to copy paste it, or you don't have to test and try and tweak and spend hours. What it will do, it will take this reference prompt as a learning guide to create more prompts for multiple images based on your theme that you picked in. How cool is that? You don't have to manually type and spend hours, figuring out, picking one, not picking one, deleting one, regenerating one, and putting it together, then generating the colored version. So much, right? It gives the AI a structure that it will follow, so that every book will be unique because it's your unique prompt that you follow, right? Not some generic AI generated prompt. And that is the power, guys. That is the power, right? Previously we didn't have this before, so that's the thing. Let's create a colored version. like I want a color, I want a black and white, and I want a color. And illustration style, we give you two: adult coloring book, which is more intricate, delicate, more intricate lines and stuff like that. And the other is your kid style, more bolder, oops, my camera. Okay, the more bolder and more, like clear lines, right? So let's say I want to do for kids. Now, intro pages, make sure your intro pages, if you create it on Canva or if you even create it on Artistly, make sure the dimension is 896 by 1152. I forgot to mention it here. I will mention it just so that there is no confusion, right? We automatically do the heavy lifting of upscaling it for your book if you're creating it like 8.5 by 11 inches book. But let's see if I can find a page template here. All right, let's just pick this one. For example, you can add up to one, three, or five pages. We don't allow two pages because it will break the symmetry of the page. You know what I mean, right? If it's a book, the printing starts from the right page, if you think about it from my angle. And then if you give like two images, then second image will come on the left side, and then the symmetry will be broken, right? That's why we either give you one, three, or five, so it will follow the perfect symmetry for the book. And then ending pages, you could design your own pages promoting your other books or whatever it is. And you have to just click on generate coloring book. That's it, guys. You don't have to copy the prompt from chat gpt, paste it, regenerate it, generate it multiple times. No mumbo jumbo like that. Prompts, images, pages, perfect for your needs, perfect with your formula, right? Everyone has their own unique prompt that that they are getting really good result with. Why don't you want to scale that? Why don't want you do that efficiently? And then you can focus on other areas of the business by thinking about marketing and market research, which I'll be talking about in the next few videos, how to do them properly, what are the best effective strategies to do. So to be aware about, to be updated with that, make sure you hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Okay, so just give it a couple of minutes, guys, because there's a lot of compute, and there's a lot of thinking going behind the scenes. Writing your prompts, designing your images, coloring them, putting it all together, and all you will get is a final link that you can view it online, preview it, right? And you can download it and just sell it, upload it on Amazon KDP. You don't even need to do any further editing at all if you don't want to. If you want to, obviously, a lot of other users, they would like to give more, more uniqueness to that. So they add multiple pages and stuff like that, right? Check this out, right? As we are speaking, the book is already done. It gives you four options just so that you don't get confused. A read option, that is gonna read this book. That means online flip book viewer, right? Which is very, very cool. Let me just show you that. So look at this, pretty powerful. One second, let me just do this. There you go. Pretty cool, right? And you're getting more ideas and concepts and stuff like that. And there's one interesting thing that I want to mention to you guys. Okay, by for any reasons, right? Because we are creative people and we want to be perfect. I get you, I hear you, right? You don't like one image, or you don't like two images. I mean, like, what should I do, Yash? Then I don't like couple of images there. Well, don't you worry about that, right? Because we give you download all images. This is game changer, guys. Because think about this, right? You click on download all images, all the images that we have used in that page, in that book, will be given to you so that you can put together. You can remove the ones that you don't like and you can put it together. How will you put it together? Is there any tool? Do we need to use any third party tool? Well, yes, we give you something internally as well, but you can use other tools like Affinity, which is absolutely free by Canva, to put together your pages. I'll be probably doing a tutorial on that. But even inside Artistly, actually, let me show you that. Okay, so in that, in for that feature, what you need to do is you need to come to the Storybook Studio option, and there we have this coloring book binder, right? Here, all you gotta do is put all your pages. That's it, right? That is it. Just put the pages one by one, one by one, one by one, and we format it for you. For we upscale them, we add the margins, right, to make sure that they are perfect to publish on Amazon, right? How would you do that? It's very simple, guys. Okay, you need to pick the dimension, and again, a hack: if you want to sell 8.5 by 11 inches books, then you need to pick 3 by 4 dimension ratio. Title, just give it your title. Let's say I wanna go with my title, Halloween Book 2. Cover image, let's just this for example. And coloring pages, right? You can drag and drop that you got. You can ask that previous tool that I showed you to generate more and more and more. Download all of them, the ones you like the most, put them here. Put them here. The beauty is it will follow your prompt, so you don't have to ask it to, you don't have to do it manually, neither you have to rely on something that does not follow your prompts. You know what I mean, right? Sometimes AI does not listen to us and we keep asking, hey, I want this style, but it just goes randomly. That problem is completely solved. Okay, let me actually bring some of these images so that you know. Let me just zip that file that I downloaded. 1 second. All right, let me show you now. Okay, so you click on this, it will open up your folder. Then you open your folder. So this is how your books will be like, right? Like this is the black and white version, and you will see like a colored version. So let's say I like this tiger one, then I like this elephant one, then I like this dog one, then I like this this parrot one, this leopard one, this rhinoceros one, this horse one, right? And I can just boom, there you go. That's how it works, right? So you could put together all your images. These are, let's say, I just want, black and white. They are pretty cool, guys. Pretty powerful, right? No more AI generic stuff. No more copy pasting stuff. You get what you want, right? Following your unique prompt style that you have mastered, right? So now, let's say I don't want a colored version. I just want the black and white version, right? So you could just do this, and then yeah, book type, click on this book type. What it will do, it will add blank pages between images, right? So if you are just giving it like black and white images, like these images where there's no colored version, I recommend you to check this option, because it's gonna add a blank pages. When you're coloring the when you're coloring the pages, you probably know, if you're using a sketch color or whatever it is, sometimes it bleed through the page, right? So you don't want to give like pages after pages after pages, and it just ruins the experience, right? So you want to take that gap, give it like a blank page, and then a page, and then a blank page, and then a page, right? So you do that, and you generate the book. That's it. That's it. So first tool is going to generate the pages and images for you, and second tool, if you don't like the book that you created in the first time, or you want to add more pages, you want to create like 60 page, 70 page, 100-page book, you could do this way, right? Check this out. I'm just super excited, right? Check this out. Boom, bam, boom, 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 boom. Pretty cool, right? And then all you gotta do is you gotta just download your KDP manuscript, right? And then that's it. Just download. It will give you a PDF. You can publish on Amazon. There's one another hack that I want to mention, which is another crazy stuff. Now, for some reason, you want to put those images, but you want to color them as well. But you created those images from third-party tools, or even using other existing artistly features. Well, there's another hack. Okay, so the hack is, there is something called bulk actions here. Okay, AI bulk actions. If you click on create a new action, and if you pick like bunch of images here, let me just pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do something interesting, right? Let's say you created these black and white images and you want to color them, right? And then put it together using the second tool, right? So everything, by the way, inside one tool, and you just pay a one-time fees. Never have to worry about credits. If you don't want to miss out, there's a special discount that we are running. So make sure you check this out. The link is in the description. Now, okay, coming to the point, what you do is you see an add step over there, and you see coloring page, right? So what it will do is it will turn your plain outline into vibrant color pages, right? The both options, colorize and coloring pages, right? A colorize option will color your pages, and if you put your images, right, like your photo, and you want to convert that into a black and white, we also give you that, right? But this time we give like black and white images, so we want to hit on colorize. That means what it's going to do, it's going to color these images for you, right? How cool is that, right? And then do 3:4 ratio, and then just build action. Let me just give it colorize, and you will see images perfectly colored, right? And that is the power of automation, power of using the right tool. My camera is acting weird. One second. That's cool. Yeah, that is the power of using multiple tools in one dashboard to get what you want, right? No more spending hours, no more, thinking about what prompt should you write, what design should you pick. No need to worry about things. And you just can't do coloring books. You can do so many things with Artistly. I'll be showing you more in the next videos, but I hope you loved this one. If you do, let me know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe if you don't want to miss out on the next amazing golden nugget. I'll see you. Take care. Bye.